everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done another unboxing. I know it's been quite some time actually. So I am excited to restart this series of unboxing snacks with Turkish Munchies. So I've had Turkish Munchies before. My husband had actually bought me one of their boxes for my birthday, and I was absolutely in love with the snacks I had received. I absolutely loved every bit of it, and if you want more details on that box, you can find it on my blog. So today I am going to show you what's inside here, and yeah, so let's get started. So I finally got to the box. This is what you would receive if you ordered Turkish Munchies. Now, it really does depend on what size you decide to get, but I'm telling you, I love this product. The first time my husband got it for me, I went straight for the snacks. I didn't even bother to record anything. I do know that I wrote about it on my blog, but that's as far as I got, because these snacks are awesome. And I mean, you get different snacks, so I don't know what I got this time, so let's check it out. The first thing that I noticed was that it comes with the nutrition facts, which is awesome, and it gives you like the photos, the images of everything that you will be receiving inside this box, which is amazing. I love that they do this. I love that they even give you the ingredients, the nutrition facts, and so forth. So that's pretty cool. So let's open, and this is what this looks like. And here you go, you get another one of these. This is it gives you all the snacks and a bit more of information on what each snack has. I also love that it tells you what it's best with. So let's say that you want to eat one of the snacks with a tea. So it gives you like the little image of what it goes best with. So for tea, let's see. For tea, this one's really good. This one's really good with tea. So that's pretty awesome. Like, I love seeing this in boxes, snack boxes. And to be honest, I've tried quite a few snack boxes, and I haven't seen anybody actually do this where they list what this snack is best with. So that's awesome. Okay, so the first thing I see here is the Osmo burger. Now, I'm not too sure what that is. It feels crunchy. So to see what this is, I'm going to use my little handy snack guide. And it says here, Osmo burger. Osmo hamburger is a funny snack for both kids and adults. It is a hamburger-shaped biscuit filled with chocolate cream. All right, I'll open this in a bit. I want to show you everything that's in the box first. So then we have the cake straw, and I'm sorry if I mispronounce this. I mispronounce a lot of things. So Yobo, and that is, these cakes are super bold to claim that they are extra cakes, or what they call themselves, cakestra cakes. The extra part is hidden inside, waiting for you to discover. Ooh, it looks really good. I can't wait to try that. All right, so let me show you what this box looks like. Those are all the snacks that you would be receiving if you get this size box. Pretty sweet. Ooh, this looks like something that I would actually like a lot. It looks a lot like, oh yeah, it is. It's popping candy. That's pretty cool. And then you got these. And then there is this. I can't wait to try these. It all looks so good. Now, I'm not too sure what this is supposed to be. Okay, so I had this before in my last box. I remember these because I remember thinking these are really good. And these are just nuts, but I love like the flavor. This one's a cheddar and Sogan. I'm not too sure what Sogan is, but I really liked these last time, so pretty good. Okay, this looks so cute. That is so cute. So this is supposed to be a marshmallow. Oh, this is a marshmallow. Yeah, it's right here. A fluffy marshmallow. Nice. I can't wait to bite into that one. Okay, so you have this one, which these are biscuits, or crackers, you know. Very nice. Yobo cola. So if you like cola, you might like these. Ooh, these are like freeze-dried. These are freeze-dried fruits. Yummy. And then last but not least, ice cream burger. Oh, these are wafers. So they're wafers, but I was a little bit confused because it says ice cream burger. So I'm kind of wondering what they mean with ice cream burger. So this is the Miscos. So I'm looking. Oh, so right here, let me show you this. Right here it says mystery snack. I believe I did receive the mystery snack because I did not find it on the list. So if you don't find it on the list, it's going to be on the mystery snack. Anyways, this ice cream burger, it is invented to sandwich ice cream. That's it. That's all I got in this awesome box from Turkish Munchies. I love that there's a variety of snacks, so I'm going to put it back on in the box and show you how many I got. So it's like 13. So I got 13 snack items in this small box. So that's incredible. I love it. I love everything that comes within this box. I haven't tried everything, but so far everything looks really good. I know that my blog is more detailed when it comes to the snacks, like what I liked, what I did not like. You know, everybody's going to have their own opinions on snacks because we all have different taste buds. But overall, I have nothing but positive things to say about Turkish Munchies. It's a great experience. It's a great surprise. It was actually a really good birthday present. So I definitely enjoyed it. I am going to give one of these snacks a try now that I showed you everything that was inside. So which one should I do? Let's give this one a try. Alright, so I think I'm gonna need scissors for this because I can't seem to... Oh, never mind. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh, how cute. So they come in... Okay, they look like burgers. They definitely look like the burgers. Okay, so what is it that we said this was? So this is supposed to be a fun snack. Hamburger-shaped biscuits filled with chocolate cream. Oh my gosh. That is so good. So yeah, the chocolate's in there. These are really good. Oh. That is so good. I'm gonna put that to the side, but I like those. Those are really good. It's pretty much a cookie. It's pretty much like a cookie with chocolate in there, but it tastes very different from anything I've tried before. It tastes really good. You know what? Let's go with something salty. Or you know what? I'm gonna do the cola. I am not a fan of cola at all. So I'm gonna give this a try, and if I like it, I will let you know. If I don't, I will let you know. So let's open this. Alright, so the way I'm opening these packages is crazy. Alright, so this is the cola one. So let's give this a try. Okay, I don't like cola. Guys, I've said this like 2-3 times now, but these are really good. And I'm just like amazed because I don't like cola. Like I don't know, I don't like it, but I guess it's because it's in gummy form. I don't know, but these are really, really good. Like, you can taste the sweetness. It does taste like cola, but it's just so good. I don't know what it is about these. It's just, I guess I like how sweet they are. This does taste like cola. It is like gummy bear cola. That's what that is. So I really, really like these. Anyways, I'm gonna keep trying these. I will be posting more on my blog about this box, just because I like to give, you know, a more thorough review of the things that I unbox. So yeah, if you want more information on this box, stay tuned for the blog post. And stay tuned for my next unboxing. And let me know down in the comments below what else I should be unboxing. Alright guys, see you later.